In this video, I'm going to be showing us how to remove Capcut watermark from your video. So to do this, let's go to the Capcut app. Click on the Capcut app. Once you click on it, it will open. And let's go to new project. New project to start a new project. Click on new project. Then let's just add any video to do test run on this. Let's add this video. Click on add and wait for it to load. It is a video I recorded. We are going to verify. I want to use this video I recorded for this tutorial. Then if you scroll to the end of this video, let's go to the end. If you go to the end, you will see this Capcut watermark. So every time you watch a video, get to this end, you'll see the watermark will pop up. So to do this, click on this watermark. Once you click on it, click on delete. Click on delete click on delete. And once you click on delete, the watermark, once you click on delete, the watermark will go out. So let's watch the scene. See, it just ends here. So that is how to remove watermark from your video in CapCut.